Welcome back to our channel, English with Sanjana. Recently, we have been learning about geography and science. In this video, I am going to bring you something new. Today, I have designed a very useful grammar lesson for you all. This could be regarded as the first step to an unending journey. Dear friends, are you ready? If you are ready, we can start the lesson. Grammar Parts of a Predicate Lesson 1. Before we start the lesson, I would like to ask you a question. What is a predicate? The predicate is the part of a sentence that tells us what the subject does or is. To put it another way, the predicate is everything that is not the subject. First example, the baby is sleeping. The baby is the subject. Is sleeping is the predicate. Second example, all of us love music. All of us is the subject. Love music is the predicate. Every predicate has at least one verb. There are dancers. They is the subject. Are dancers is the predicate. This predicate has one verb. Are is the verb. Second example, he is a doctor. He is the subject. Is a doctor is the predicate. This predicate has one verb. Is the verb. What is an object? An object is a person or a thing that is affected or influenced by the action of the verb in a sentence. The predicate may contain two objects. They are direct object and indirect object. Example 1. The school gave me a certificate. The school is the subject, gave is the verb, a certificate is the direct object, me is the indirect object. Second example, our teacher sent us some advice on email. Our teacher is the subject, sent is the verb, some advice is the direct object, us is the indirect object. What is a compliment? A compliment is a word, praise or clause that is necessary to complete the meaning of a given expression. First example, she is an incomplete sentence. She is beautiful. She is beautiful is a complete sentence. Beautiful is the complement which completes the sentence. Second example, he is brave. Brave is the complement which completes the sentence. Words which can be used as a complement: brave, caring, charming, helpful, honest, cheerful, clever, smart, sweet and confident. Linking verbs. He is a monster. He is the subject. Is the linking verb. A monster is the noun which acts as the subject complement. He looks stunning. He is the subject. Looks is the linking verb. Stunning is the adjective which acts as the subject complement. Examples for linking verbs: be, seem, look, appear, become, sound, remain, feel, taste and smell. There are two types of complements. They are subject complement and object complement. Subject complement. Look at this example. She is a great dancer. She is the subject. A great dancer is the subject complement which describes the subject. Object complement. The news made her sad. Her is the object. Sad is the object complement which describes the object. The predicate may also contain an adverb. Adverbs or adverb phrases generally appear at the end of a sentence after the verb, object or object complement. Look at this example. He bought the shirt yesterday. He is the subject. Bought the shirt yesterday is the predicate. Yesterday is the adverb. That's all for the lesson on parts of a predicate. Now let's do some exercises. Exercise 1. Circle the predicate in these sentences. The shop opens every day. The shop is the subject. Opens every day is the predicate. This house is very expensive. This house is the subject. Is very expensive is the predicate. I wrote the answers. I is the subject. Wrote the answers is the predicate. The annual day of our school was held yesterday. The annual day of our school is the subject. Was held yesterday is the predicate. We came back to our hostel. We is subject. Came back to our hostel is the predicate. Exercise 2. Circle the direct objects and underline the indirect objects in these sentences. Mr. Harry teaches us science. Science is the direct object. Us is the indirect object. My school has offered me a scholarship. A scholarship is the direct object. Me is the indirect object. She passed me the salt. The salt is the direct object. Me is the indirect object. She gave the waiter a 100-rupee note. A 100-rupee note is the direct object. The waiter is the indirect object. My friend from Colombia sent me a lot of gifts. A lot of gifts is the direct object. Me is the indirect object. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video interesting and useful, subscribe to our channel and alarm the notification bell. Don't forget to share this video. I will see you in my next video.